Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today in front of the Goodwill here in Santa Ana off of Grand. So if you guys want to come over here, go check it out. It's really awesome. Tell them Hadrian sent you. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. And we're on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop. itsHadrian.com. See whatever for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's in the store right now and check it out. We did the handbag, so I didn't show you guys what I was looking through there because there were a lot of people. But I did manage to find this Michael Kors Hamilton in this cool like 3 different kinds of leather chevron pattern. I actually have another Michael Kors in the same collection. Not a Hamilton, it was a different style, but in the same kind of leather and design and pattern as this one. It's up in the shop. This one will be too by the time you guys see this video. But oh my gosh, how cute are these guys? The toy works. That is so adorable. I was like, giant unicorn. Oh, look at these 3 prints. These are really pretty. $25. That'd actually be really cute to send to the Philippines, but I'm looking for something with blue or like yellow and gray. I don't think green would really go with the color motif that I have over there right now, but look at this. It's kind of interesting looking, right? Oh, look at that large round mirror. Oh, it's the giant Instant Pot air fryer. Wait a minute, air fry, bake, roast, toast, and it's a rotisserie? What? This looks really cool. It's only 50 bucks. Hey guys, this is the oven. I also found it on Target.com. It is $120. Here it's $50, so it's more than half off. I don't know, should I get it? I looked at it, it's been kind of broken open, but I don't think anything's missing inside. Well, I'm just gonna carry this around with me while I look around and see what other stuff I can get into. Oh, there is also a sale going on right now. All toys are half off for leap day. That's cool. Okay, I'm looking through the plates and stuff now. It's actually really pretty. 250. They always make really pretty plates. 2, 4. Seems to only be 6 there. Let's see what these plates are. I love like plates that kind of have like cool borders like that. I think they're really fun. Here's another one. This one's a Gibson. I love going through the plates because I feel like almost every Goodwill has plates, and sometimes you can find some really great quality stuff that would be so expensive if you bought them retail. Like this Oneida plate. Oneida's wonderful. Amazing plates. I'm looking for an espresso machine. I've been looking for like a new one that I could get for the house, but I haven't come across any recently. I used to come across them quite often. Check out this cool, like, is this like Salvador Dali? Is that the artist that kind of does like the melting clocks? This is super cool. I wish it wasn't like, it looks like there's like a lot of damage to it. Otherwise I would have gotten that if it was like in better shape. That's a really cool clock. Check it out, I just found some hand sanitizer. It's like sold out everywhere, or it's like really expensive. And this is $3. This is perfect. You guys gotta watch out for that coronavirus. Check it out, you guys. I saw these water guns at another store. They were $5, and then they were gonna be half off. These are only $1.50. They're gonna be half off. So I'm gonna get a couple of these for sure. Guys, what is up? We are back at the house, and I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got from the store. I didn't really get too much. Oh, but I did want to tell you guys that I did get the it was the hand sanitizer. It's already in like mom's possession, so I did get it, it was only like $2.99. And I remember, like, it's really expensive everywhere else. I think it's, like, sold out, like, on Amazon, and or it's really expensive. And then mom went to, like, Sam's Club and, like, Costco, and they were all gone. So, I don't know, this corona outbreak thing is serious. But, yeah. So, I did get those, which was very exciting. I also did get these. I got, their kind of like water gun things. They are foam, so they don't sink to the bottom of the pool, which is great. So they're easy to get, especially because the kids always leave their water guns inside the pool. And another great thing is that these were $1.50, but Toys Today were half off. So that is perfect. So they were like literally like 75 cents for a set of 2. So I was pretty excited about that. So I got 3 packs of these. They're like, I'm like gearing up for summer. I know the kids are just gonna be spending a lot of time in the pool this summer. So they've all been wanting to swim so badly. Even though Kate literally swims for like 6 hours a week because he's on water polo, but he's like always wants to go swimming here. And like the other 2 are like, we want to go swimming, but it's like too cold. Even though it has warmed up recently, but now it's like gonna start getting cold again because tomorrow it's supposed to rain, which is nuts. So it was like in the 80s, just like actually like yesterday it was in the 80s. Today it was in the 70s. Tomorrow it's gonna be in the 60s. So like the temperature is just like dropping like crazy, which is nuts. The weather here in Southern California is crazy. So anyway, got those. Then I also did find this Herschel, like, I think it's like the iPad mini case. And I thought this was just like really cool. It's only $5.99. It's a great little iPad holder. And you can really use this for anything. You don't have to use it for an iPad. You can use it as a pencil case with your pencils in here. You can really use it for anything. So, great little pouch. I also love that it has a front pocket, so extra storage is always welcome. Then, last but not least, I actually have another bag from this collection in the shop currently, but this one is the Michael Kors Hamilton. The other one is a different silhouette. It almost looks like a Saint Laurent Sac de Jour in shape, but it has like the same chevron and it has the same like 3 different leathers. But yeah, I thought this was really cool. It's cute. It has the longer strap, the top handles. The Michael Kors Hamilton is one of my favorite silhouettes by him. So I was very surprised to see this at the store for only $7.99. So that was a deal. Usually they pick out the Michael Kors bags and price them at around $30 to $40. So excited to get this one for such a great price. So yeah, and then the last thing I got, these bins don't have lids, but it's okay. Mom wanted me to pick them up anyway. These bins were, I think they're $2.99. They're $2.99 each, which is not horrible. We may actually have lids that might fit these, so we have to search the garage and see. But Mom wanted them just to like put stuff in anyway. So yeah. That pretty much ends today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun checking out the store and what I got. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments, especially if you guys are new. Welcome to the Thrift Squad. So happy to have you guys here. And that is the end of the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. for a new thrifting video. And till then, hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whenever you guys watch this. And we'll see you guys later. Bye!